Hello, my very dear CMA Foundation students. This is CMA Shiksha Singh from Akash Agarwal classes, and I am here with a video for you all telling about the mistakes you do which you should avoid. Some mistakes are, for example, not watching lectures. You do not watch lectures. You're trying to mug up things and you're trying to mug up MCQs only. You are not watching lectures and you're only solving MCQs. It is not a right attitude. It is not a right process. In order to be able to solve your MCQs in your exam, which are tricky, which are there, which take some thought, you have to watch lectures. You have to understand the concept. You have to learn the concepts. Otherwise, you won't be able to solve about 70 to 80 your MCQs. Now, the third mistake you do is not covering all MCQs. Even if you're watching your lectures, even if you're doing MCQs, but you do not cover all MCQs, you do not cover all MCQs. You just think about doing the module and that's it. You should cover all the MCQs. You should cover all the MCQs. And the last mistake you do is doing limited study. Doing limited study, what does it mean? You watch some strategy video, you watch some teacher telling you this topic is okay, this topic is important, this topic is important, and you do only those topics and you rest and you leave the rest of the syllabus. No, in foundation you cannot leave any topic. You have to do all the chapters. There are only 4 chapters in your law syllabus and you have to make them all do work properly. You have to do them all 4. So these mistakes you do, you should avoid. And what you should do is you should watch lectures. You should watch all lectures. Ma'am, where can I watch lecture? We have provided you with free lectures, free English lectures. We have provided you free English lectures on our YouTube channel. You can go and watch them. Please do watch the lectures, because without watching lecture and only learning up, mugging up the MCQs is not a correct way, and it will never give you the correct results. After watching lectures, you should do MCQs. And MCQs you should solve of everything. You should cover all MCQs, such as MQPs, past papers, MCQ bank, modules and e-bulletins. Wherever you can find MCQs, you have to solve all of them. And the last thing you should do to pass your CMA Foundation exams, you should follow Akash Agarwal classes thoroughly and do attend all the announcements, because we are bringing you a very big announcement and very big surprise for you all on 20th September live at 8 p.m. on our YouTube channel. So please do visit and attend this live announcement, because it is going to be very beneficial for you, and we are going to give you everything you need for passing your exams. Thank you. See you all. Bye bye. Now please comment, like and share with your friends, and do tell me what more videos do you need. Thank you. See you all. Bye bye.